Welcome back, friends. And everybody is using Google Play Store, and Play Store is very dangerous things also. It contains some information which you need to know, because with help of those informations anybody can do anything with your bank accounts also. You can have a threat on the photos you are having on your mobile if you are not knowing that setting. So please watch entire video to know those Play Store settings. These are very important. I insist to watch entire video and share it with your family and friends so that they can also get benefited, and they can also save their accounts, their personal information which are being stored in their phones. So if you like the video after watching this, please consider to subscribe this channel. So not wasting much of your time, the first is suppose you are going to Play Store, and here cancel, okay, and here you are tapping it. Here this what you are searching is coming here. If you do not not want that these come here, these searches are these searches which are coming here do not come here, then what you need to do, go to this setting, and then this setting, then general, and then go below one minute, account and device preferences, and here go below and clear device history. Okay, clear history. Now when we'll go back and open the Play Store, anything will not come. So this was the first I wanted to tell you. This is the second setting is very important. If you have purchased any mobile second hand and you want to know that is the original or not, what you need to do, go to the here and go to the settings, then go to the about, and in below Play Protect certification, device is certified. This should come. If it is not coming, then you are just you have to make sure that you are having the right mobile, the original mobile, the genuine mobile. How will you ensure? Go to the customer services of that brand, and you can show that this is not coming. They will do something and this will come. This is very important, because while downloading any app from Play Store, the apps are monitoring these settings. So this is important, and this should be ensured. So this was the second. Now go back, and then the third was the important one, which will affect your bank account. So just tap on the right upper corner and go to the settings, and here authentication, biometric authentication for Google Play purchases on this device. This should be turned on. Here go and give the password. I am not giving the password here. And the second thing, required authentication for purchase for all purchases through Google Play on this device. It should be selected. So after doing these two settings, your kids cannot buy anything from Play Store. They cannot share the information to the hacker so that they can empty your bank account. So this is very important setting. You need to know about this. So this was the third. The fourth is also very important, that is Play Protect. Go here, tap on here, then Play Protect. This is very important setting. Means if you going to the Play Protect, this will regularly check your apps and device for harmful behavior. You will get notifications of any security risk found. So tap on setting, and these both should be on. This will scan continuously, and you can see you can scan manually also by doing this. So if you are doing this, it is very difficult for any hacker to hack your personal informations from your phone. So this is also very important setting. You need to know. Please share. I insist, please share with your family and friends. And the last setting is also good. Suppose you are going to Play Store, and here just go here and then manage apps on device. Go to the manage and installed. These are the installed apps. Tap on here, not installed, and you will see the non-installed apps which are consuming the memory, the precious memory, the important memory of your phone. What they are doing here? So just delete. If you require in future, then please keep it, and if you do not require, why are you keeping it? They are consuming the memory, so just delete it. So this is all what I wanted to tell you in this video. Please share it with your family and your friends so that they can also get benefited from the threads you are getting by using the Play Stores. So this is all I wanted to tell you. Thank you very much.